You don't need to be a graphic designer to make static ads that look good anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to make pretty good looking static ads that can actually convert. So this is an example of an ad for a patriotic apparel brand. So as you can see, we have just a very basic headline here. We're showing the shirt and we've removed the name just for obvious reasons. So we've removed the name here, but we're showing the headline. We have the offer here, buy three and save, and then we have a simple call to action and a realistic photo of this shirt that most people probably could not tell was AI if this is, AI, for example. So this photo here, we're showing a man in the shirt, which may or may not be AI. And we have a flag here on the t-shirts. We've removed the name, but it's a very simple ad. This would probably sit somewhere in the more most aware or aware stage of market awareness with this ad because we're highlighting the offer and we're using very basic language. So with an ad that is most aware or aware, it doesn't require as much selling. It's more of just like an offer to try to push them over the edge and a reminder. And so that's basically all we're doing here in this ad, nothing super fancy. But how did we actually make this ad? So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's try again, and let's just make another version of this ad. So here's the prompt that we used essentially. You are my graphic design master with 10 years professional experience with D2C e-commerce brands. And then you can say, you are my designer for a patriotic apparel brand. Let's just say for the heck of it here, let's just make up a name. You are my graphic designer for we'll just say a patriotic apparel brand. We don't have to even have a brand name for this. Patriotic apparel brand. So this is essentially the basics of what we would include in the prompt. Now, what you can do is build out a document brief, the same way that you would do to hand over to a graphic designer of exactly what you want. And AI has gotten surprisingly good at details too. So I'm honestly a lot more impressed now with ChatGPT, for example's ability to actually generate photorealistic images. So for a while, I was saying Google Nano Banana was doing a better job, but honestly, I am more happy with ChatGPT now with what I'm seeing. So you can make something like this. All you have to do is basically input your prompt. You would make a doc, for example, if you're trying to make a static ad where you list out exactly what you want in that ad, all the little details, everything you're wanting it to get, and then you can also make changes with text. One of the tricks that I have found to work really well is if you have a design file, you want a high definition reference photo of that design. Like for example, this flag right here, ideally we want a high definition photo that really shows the detail of this flag, for instance. And then if there's any text that's small and a little bit hard to read, you can actually spell out what is in that text to give it a better chance to get the text right. So for example, let's say the brand name here was John Smith's Apparel, for instance. We would put the website or whatever it shows right here above the flag and actually spell it out so that it knows what it's actually saying. And you can do this with logos too if you want, where you can say, basically spell out what's actually shown in a logo, for example, or the letters to give it more context to get it correct. So essentially, this is what we would be doing here is we're making this ad here, and this is basically the prompt. You would upload your doc with any colors you're looking to achieve. For example, if we're looking to target blue collar people, or if we're looking to target patriotic people and we want this ad to be patriotic, what colors you want to use, anything that you want included in this, you can include in that brief. And then for the prompt, so for the prompt, essentially, this is basically just about it. So this combined with any text that you want to spell out, any details you want to explain what it is, exactly what you're going for there, and then a document that is attached that lays out exactly what you're looking for in the actual ad as well. So let's say, for example, we want to try this ad, and let's say we want to remove the shirt, or let's say put just in all caps. Notice I'm putting all caps to emphasize this with the AI, to let the AI know that this is important. So anything that's important, we want to put it in all caps to make it stand out and give it a better chance to actually listen and pick up on it. Just another little thing that I found. So put just the shirt in this ad. Let's say instead of making an offer ad, let's just have some fun with this, and we'll let this get a little bit creative. I don't know what's going to come out of this, but let's just say, for example, highlight the softness of the shirt in this ad. I want this to be solution aware, stage 4 market awareness. All right, so let's just see what it comes out with. We'll say based on breakthrough advertising. And for fun, let's go a little bit further. We'll just say, you are Eugene Schwartz. Do not mention the brand name anywhere in this ad. All right, let's just see what it comes out with. I'm going to pause this real quick. All right, so here's what we've got. Honestly, not a bad ad. So this says, finally, a patriotic shirt that feels broken in from day one. Now, you could, of course, play with the text a little bit, play with the language if you wanted. It says ultra soft comfort, rugged American style, little graphic right here, and then a CTA that says feel the softness. And once again, we're showing the shirt. So this ad's a little bit different. It hits a different angle. And it honestly doesn't look that bad. Now, if this visual right here, for example, is maybe a little bit grainy or it looks a little funny, we could always play around with this. We could change the color of the shirt, do whatever we need to do there. But overall, this is a pretty solid looking ad, I would say. It feels manly, which would fit into this specific brand and what we're trying to do with this specific brand here. And it feels like an ad that would resonate at least with a patriotic man, with the color scheme that it's chosen, with the fonts that are chosen. It's a pretty solid effort, I would say. So this can be a very helpful way to get pretty good quality static ads that are done similar to what you would get from a graphic designer. Now, you will have to be careful to make sure you reread text and make sure it gets the graphics right and the fonts and everything, but it's still a very good way to get graphic design work done for a very inexpensive and affordable cost. Now, unfortunately for graphic designers, AI is getting better, and it's not looking like it's going to be getting any worse anytime soon. But this can be a very helpful way quickly bang out a bunch of static ads if you have an apparel brand that does, for example, print on demand. So just make sure, just a few tips, like I believe I'd mentioned, make sure that with the design, you're uploading the design and a high definition file that really shows the detail of the design when you upload a design. For example, I personally like ChatGPT, using the image gen model with ChatGPT. There are other ones you can use as well, but ChatGPT is just what I typically use. So yeah, anyways, that is it for this video. If you found this helpful, leave a like, comment below what you want to see next. If you have a brand in particular you want me to make some static ads for and show you the process I would go through from A to Z, from research to ideation to scripting, and then actually making a brief for a static ad for a brand. And if you have a brand and you are spending at least $100 a day on paid ads and you want me to run your ads, you can drop a comment below with your brand name, and I will check it out and I will reach out to you if it looks like a good fit. So just drop a comment below if you want me to check out your brand, see if I can help you and run your ads. But yeah, that's all that I've got for this video.